Today is Tuesday, February 3rd, 2026. Another day in the sim. That's real nice baseline green day plus some. This morning, came into the computer. I've been up since about 1:30. Another second night in a row shitty sleeping. Yesterday, I slept till about 4 a.m. It was a little better. Today, I woke up about 1:30. Uh, so I'm coming onto the computer with about 3.5, maybe 4 hours of sleep. Kind of groggy, but whatever. Here we are. Took my first trade at 6:02, and I took my last trade at 6:54. Um, like I said, a nice above the gold green day for me. I took 47 trades, 24 winners, 23 losers. So 51% accuracy. Not my best accuracy, but it is what it is. I ended the day with $1.22 worth of profit ratio. My daily goal is $1, so that's a real nice bonus there. My average loser was 12 cents. Average winner was 17 cents. The loser did win the bigger trade today at 41 cents versus a 37-cent winner. So let that be what it is. That being said, I'm really happy with the way I traded today. What else can I say? I hit above my goal in less than an hour, and it just turned out to be a really nice day. I hit my goal. The ticker I was trading when I hit my goal was still pretty active, so I kind of cut. Once I kind of saw I was really close to my goal, I told myself just don't mess it up. Only take really clean setups that I know I'm going to nail for 5 or 10, maybe 15 cents. That's kind of what I did. What made me quit trading was I took two losses in a row that were both 13 cents. I was at $1.33. I took two losses, which got me flirting with being right at my goal. I knew I was above my goal, but the ticker was still pretty active. Then I took two poorly timed trades in a row, and I said, okay, I've got one more trade. I'm either going to go below my goal or it's going to get me back above my goal. And I hit a 21-cent winner that brought me to $1.22. So I went from $1.33 to a 13-cent loser, a 13-cent loser, and then a 21-cent winner. So, boom, that last trade worked out well for me, and I called it a day at that point. Boom, no more. I'm above my goal. My timing's starting to get off. I'm not being able to read the chart as clearly as I want to, so just call it a day, move on. Second day in a row where I've hit my goal and I've shut it down. So I'm really happy with that. That's a good thing for me to do. What I've told myself, and I keep telling myself, is if I look back on my report cards and my summaries, and most days I've hit my goal, there's not going to be a time where I'm going to look back and be like, man, I should have traded more that day. I should have kept trading. Because what's the best that could happen? I get above my goal. Maybe I even double my goal or triple my goal. But what's the worst that could happen? I get way below my goal, even go red. So why mess it up? Hit my goal, shut her down, move on. And that's what I did today. Wasn't even on the computer for an hour, and I took a smaller amount of trades that I kind of have been averaging here lately. So that means less commissions and fees, which that's good for the cause. Excuse me. So just a really nice Tuesday morning for me. I can't say nothing else more about it. If I could do this every day, I'd kind of have it made, So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to set this up to where I just don't fuck it up. I've been trading the sim for a couple 3 weeks now, I think, and especially these past couple weeks have really been like a mindset shift where I'm not doubling down on trades. I'm not trying to do anything stupid to fuck up my entire day. Back in the fall, October, November, December, I was trading in the sim, but I could, looking back, I know that I was trading in the sim in my brain. It didn't matter. I was just kind of clicking buttons. It was almost like a video game. There was days where I'd hit 5, 10, 15. I don't know what my highest was, but I know there's days where I was above $10 with a profit ratio. and that was just kind of didn't matter. I'm just practicing, you know. But now it's like these past couple of weeks have been a really strong, like, prove it to myself test. You know, I've been taking it extremely seriously. I've been 100% emotionally involved, and it's really been a thing in my brain where this is the test to where it allows me to play with my actual money. Um, so being green for these past several days, hitting my goals most of these days. If I didn't hit my goal, I think I was still green pretty much every day, except for that one day, that first day I traded, which was with my actual cash account for my margin account. I should have known better. I should have, and that was on like a Wednesday or something. I should have just traded in the sim that week, and then maybe that Monday tried my cash account or something. You know, it is what it is. Uh, but I'm hitting my goals. My trades have been clean, and I really have not much to complain about. A 17-cent average winner today versus a 12-cent loser. That's I'm really happy with that. 12 cents. I would like to get down a little bit lower on the losers, but I mean, if that's my average loser and I'm winning the accuracy battle every day, then there's a good chance that I'm going to end up green most days. So I'm really happy with the way this is progressing, and I'm feeling good about where I'm at with this. So another strong morning in the sim. This is my second day in a row. I know that I've hit my goal this week. Obviously Monday and then today Tuesday. I don't remember what I did last week. I think I went green every day, but I don't think I hit my goal every day. But needless to say, yesterday I was slightly above my goal. Today I'm a little bit more slightly above my goal. So hopefully we can keep some good momentum going and have a nice strong Wednesday. All right.